Y'all, I found a way to do perm rod sets and avoid those puffy roots. So if you want to see the technique that I used, then stay tuned. So y'all already know the drill. My hair has been washed, and so I'm just going to moisturize. And as I said, I'll be using Jackies and Jackie's products today for this style. So I'll be using the Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In, and I'll be putting some of the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly, a little bit of that. Correction, I'm going to use the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Gel. And then once my hair's dry, I'm going to use the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. So, as y'all know, the drill, we're going to put in this and this and braid my hair up or plait my hair up and then allow my hair to dry. So let's just do that. Okay guys, so my hair is completely dry, as I want it to be. So we're gonna use the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse by Aunt Jackie's, and we're gonna use these perm rod sets, and I got these for $1 a pack at the dollar store. So I got myself 5 packs. I got myself 5 packs of this, and that means I think there's 10 in a pack. There's 10 in a pack, so 50. So I'm gonna do 30 in the front and 20 in the back. So let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, now let's take a closer look. So I'm going to wrap my hair around the perm rod. Then, once I get to the roots, I'm going to take a little bit of the foam and put it onto the roots to smooth it out. And now I'm going to take the elastic and secure it to the outside of the perm rod, opposite to the direction I wrapped my hair, and this ensures that the perm rods are tight and helps avoid puffy roots. All right, so here I am again, like I've been doing in my previous Heatless Curls series videos. I'm gonna give you my critique, what I felt was good, what I felt wasn't good about the choice of the product and the choice of the tool. So first and foremost, I think I'll give Aunt Jackie's a good #1 in my book so far for product choice. I think everything in here was like really nice and moisturizing. I don't think that you actually need the gel, to be honest with you. You probably wouldn't need the gel, but everything went really well for making the curls form really nicely. So the product choice, great. Then let's talk about the tool. These are really good for forming really good curls, and they did really well on my dry hair. The only thing is, I'd say don't sleep with it. I know you can see in the video when I was removing them, I looked like I had just woken up, and I did. Like, I tried to go to bed with it and it was 2 o'clock in the morning and I couldn't sleep, y'all. So I was like, I'm getting up and I'm getting the shit out of my hair. So I had to get it out of my hair. So I'd say if you do these, try to do it sometime in the morning and then just wear it during the day, go about your day, and then take it out at night, or take it out when you're ready to go out at night. I don't have anywhere to go because, you know, it's COVID season, coronavirus. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's get back on track. So product choice and tool choice I think was great. So you can go ahead and try this if you have Aunt Jackie's at home, and if you have perm rods, go ahead and try this. Tell me how it came out for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And the next video is gonna be a really good new tool that I found, and so I hope you stay tuned for that. I will link it down in the description, and I'll link it somewhere here as soon as I upload it. See you in the next one.